Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year.
What's up guys, Parks Plumbing. Happy New Year to everybody, hope you had a good one. We've got a few things today. We've got a boiler service that we're going to run through quite quickly. I did a full service on it last year. We have got a phantom leak on a boiler / heating system which could be a bit of a pig, and I've also got a pump to change on a heating system too. So let's get into it. Are you more desperate because there's no washing machine?
I'm still a seller. Washing machines are not the vital thing.
This next one, it's going to be one of them, you know what I'm saying? Leak, phantom leak of sorts. So I'm going to go
turn right onto Blakeney Grove, then the destination is on your...
Yeah, so we're going to go in, investigate, see what's going on, see if we can't find it quickly. Okay, so this one, losing pressure in the boiler, so they're topping it up every day. So right down here, we've got just under 1. They've had a boilerman come out and he's replaced the expansion vessel apparently. So my job now then today is to find the leak, wherever that is. So there's got to be a leak, and the pressure's going down. Expansion vessel's changed, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to top it right up. I'm going to put like 2.5 bar in pressure, see if we can hear anything, see anything blowing off, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Luckily, we've got a situation where the boiler's cold, so it's been on hot water only. So what I'm going to do as well is check the inspection hatch, see if we can see it dripping, which would indicate a split heat exchanger. So let's open the lid up then, and let's get into it. Right, let's have a butcher's hook in here.
Shit.
Right, so yeah, let's put some juice in it. Let's put nearly up to 2 bar in it. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, a lot of water going in there. So what we're looking for drips inside the heat exchanger. Finding it, I'll let you know. Right, so I'm pretty happy. A little bit 2 bar. There's no drips there. Connet strap's empty as well. You'd expect them to be full of like orangey sort of crap. So I'm going to say that the heat exchanger's not split for a change. I'm going to have to go look elsewhere. So, size of the leak, you know, topping up every single day. So, you know, it's got to tell me that this leak's got to be downstairs. Can't be upstairs. You'd see it on the ceilings, you know, straight away. Any sort of mark on the ceiling you find out. So, we start the downstairs radiators. You know, call it experience, call it luck, call it what you want, but I've just come straight to it. So, lifted the carpet. And if you can see there, compression joint, you know, classic underfloor. tape on the compression, DIY job, straight away. See the drips?
You suck, you jackass!
That'll do, yeah. So we're going to change this, there'll be no insert or something like that. I'm going to change the speed fit elbow, and that should be job done. Right, so that's cut out there. So got rid of that bit of speed fit, that compression socket there, a bit of DIY, so it's leaking from that. I don't think it was pushed in all the way. You know, a lot of engineers have got problems with speed fit, not me. You know, I've been using it in nearly, I don't know, 20 years, just short, and you know, it's great. It's great for repairs like this. As long as it's pushed in all the way and locked, you know, and the locks and the fittings, you'll be good to go. That's another one wrapped. Cheers. Right guys, we've got a situation. So I've got to change this pump here. Grundfos, but look what we've got. Suicide valves, oh no. And we're at 4 o'clock on a Friday afternoon. Should we risk it? Yeah, let's risk it. Right, we're gonna do this together. Alright, pray for Tom. Here we go. Oh, straight away, look, you can see it leaking straight away. I have no way I bothered. Right then, full drain down. Oh my god. Right. Catch you soon. So those valves leak. This one and this one. So we're draining down the system now. So I'm going to change this pump and the 2 valves there. I'm going to put the these ones on the actual lock shield ones. They're way better. 28mm as well, that annoying. So when you're draining down, make sure all zone valves are open as well, even though it powers off. Open up the zone valves, get it all drained down. A lot of people bung up in the tanks, but it's not for me. I've had too many mistakes with that in the past. So just drain it all down, man. Bypass open, everything's open. Give it 5 minutes. You'll be able to crack these nuts in and get it swapped over. If you haven't got yourself a set of these pliers wrenches yet, you're missing out big time. Big nipex for this one. Ooh. Change the nut as well, you lazy geets. Right, let's get this new olive on here. Where's my paste? Yeah. Right, paste up these olives. I know they're copper, but they're big. I'll put a bit of gubbins on. That's that one. Right, I've had to backpedal a little bit because this is a little bit too long, so the pump won't fit in. So when they get the lesser used 28 slices out, I'm going to take a little bit off. Probably take about that much off.
3 hours later.
Right, once that's all in, now I want to wire it up. So this last one comes with a flex it and it's actually into a plug. So we'll just replicate that now. sweaty stuff that. Right. So we're going to fill back up now, make sure everything's closed. Go downstairs, put water back on. So you can hear hot water coming in now and then. I like to let it fill naturally. I know a lot of people put pump on and let it go around, but let it fill naturally first till it stops filling up in the tank, and then we'll put pump on. And that's it. How to change a pump. Make sure you get all air out, all radiators and any manual air vents that you can see. And yeah, I'm a very sweaty me. Catch you on the next one.